Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to find passwords and security. Then let's tap on privacy, and here we have to find the more security settings, so this option will be at the very bottom of this list. Now let's tap on encryption and credentials, and as you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got clear credentials option, which is the option we're looking for. So let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock, probably your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.